So today I offered a workshop on integrating computational tools, in particular large language models, into the kind of social science research process. This basically involved a kind of review of or characterization of the research process in terms of kind of starting points, middle points, and end points, and then seeing how computational tools can fit into this. We talked quite a lot about the construction of classification schemes or ontologies. We talked about how best to design code books so that human coders can annotate texts in a way that's consistent and useful for downstream tasks. We also did some in-class experiments looking at speeches from a debate relating to Donald Trump's recent agreement on tariffs with the European Union. And so we looked at how this tariff agreement was debated in the European Parliament and tried to predict voting behaviour based on what the MEPs said about what was being proposed. So we did that in class, and then we compared the results that we saw in class to the coding results of a whole set of large language models to see how they performed relative to our human coders. In the end, we found that sometimes the humans are wrong, sometimes the large language models are wrong, and based on that we kind of set out a set of principles that one can use when using large language models in the research process.